Welcome back to your channel Computer Masti with Ganga. Today in this video we are going to make a name surprise program in Scratch programming. Let's get started. So first of all, open Scratch software in your computer. So I am opening my Scratch latest version. Okay, Scratch 3. So here is the Scratch software. Okay, so now first of all delete this sprite, this cat. Now from here I'm choosing a new sprite. I'm going to animals category, and from here I'm taking dragon. I'm taking this bear. Then I'm taking this hippo, and then yes, select the different characters whichever you want to show on the stage. So here I am taking these different sprites. I am taking. Okay, done. So now first of all click on this dragon, go to costume and take the another costume for this sprite. Okay, so I am taking this letter dragon. Okay, I am taking this D starts from dragon. Okay, dragon starts from D, that's why I have taken this D. Then go to this bear and another second costume, go to letters, and I am taking this B. This time I'm taking this different B. Then hippo, so go to this and from letters, and I am taking hippo H. And then unicorn, so we need to take U. Yes, so I am taking U. Here's the U. Done. Now I'm changing the background also, so I'm taking this blue sky. Done. Now for each sprite we need to write a script. So click on this dragon, go to this control block, and from events use this green flag, then go to control, use this if and else. Okay, then after that we need to take sensing block. From here touching option, here touching option you need to take, and from here mouse pointer is already given, so don't change this parameter. If touching this we have taken, now go to looks and take two different costumes. Okay, so I'm taking these two costumes, first one and then this second one. So if touching, if we will touch this D character, okay, this D letter, we need to change the dragon to A, otherwise it will take to the this block D. Okay, this letter D. Now click on the green flag. Now see it is not working, so go to control and use this forever, my favorite thing. So click on this green flag. Now see, when I am moving this mouse pointer over this letter, it is giving this surprise sprite. Done. Same thing we need to do for the other characters. Okay, so just I am giving you one simple trick. So just drag, just take this and keep it over this letter B. Done. Then again drag this, keep it over on this H, then again go here and then go to here unicorn. Now for each sprite we need to change. Okay, mouse pointer here, not dragon, we need to take this bear. Okay, then here block, that is not D, this is B. Then go to hippo, then here we need to take hippo A, then not block D, this we need to take, yes, that is done. Then unicorn, same here, we need to take this unicorn, otherwise block U. Now let's see, click on this green flag, Click on this green flag. Yes, this bear is not working, so go to bear, and then here, yeah. Now click on this green flag. Now if I take my mouse pointer over this letter D, it is giving dragon, bear, unicorn, and then hippo. Yes. So please try this program. Okay, if you feel any difficulty, if you feel any problem to implement this program, please put a comment on the comment box. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.